The Cobbler stars Adam Sandler, Steve Buscemi, Method Man, and Dustin Hoffman about a man who works as a cobbler, a man who works on shoes. I didn't even know what a cobbler was until I watched this film. But anyways, in the basement of his shop, there is a magical heirloom that was left by his father that fixes shoes. And whatever shoes that Adam Sandler works on with this machine and puts on, he's able to become that person, see life in a new way. And he is a man that the daily grind has got to him. He's a man that's bored with life, so he seeks this opportunity to live a new life amongst these different people. But trying on these different shoes has its consequences. I wasn't really looking forward to this because we all know how Adam Sandler has been in recent movies. He's been a terrible actor. And so I was just setting my expectations really low for this film. But what I really liked about this film is that it's Adam Sandler that we haven't seen in a while. I know he was in Men, Women, and Children, and he had a small role in that. But like Grown Ups 2, Jack and Jill, he had horrible characters. But here, he didn't feel like Adam Sandler in recent memory. He was very toned down. Didn't really say much because he was a man that was dull and bored with life, and it really showed in this film. The tone of this film drags it down so much. I like the premise of this movie of a man trying on these shoes and becoming new people, but the score, the acting, and the overall tone of this film just dragged it down like no other, to where it was very dull and boring, and I just could not wait for it to be over. I did like Adam Sandler in here. Like I said, he felt very different, and I wanted to see that kind of side of Adam Sandler, just not that crazy, stupid Grown Ups 2 side. I really liked him in here, but like I said, it just was very dull. It had a weird kind of score to it that didn't fit in with certain scenes, but overall I just felt like this was a very dull movie that could have gone to different places and explored a lot more, but they focused on this one guy, Method Man, and then this woman that was trying to tear down these buildings. So they could have expanded this a lot more and had fun with it, but the tone of the movie and how Adam Sandler acted, it fitted the tone of the movie. Very dull and boring, so it made it to be a very uninteresting film with a great premise that didn't expand like I thought it was going to be. Overall, The Cobbler was a pretty boring film. It's a film that I probably would never watch again. It's just a film that I'm not going to think about down the road. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a D+. This is Just Watch Movies with his review of The Cobbler, which stars Adam Sandler, Steve Buscemi, Method Man, and Dustin Hoffman. A weird group of people. So this is Just Watch Movies. I hope everybody is enjoying their weekend, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.